Steve Jacobs joins us. Stevie, good morning.
Good morning to you, Carl. For those of you who tuned in yesterday, you may have seen us in Daylesford. We were going for the Guinness World Record for a mass continuous massage. Now, the previous record was 167 couples, and that was set in America last year. I'm very happy to report that Australia has taken the record. We are going into the Guinness World Record book next year. 263 couples. If there are any more Guinness records you think we should break, then email them into us while we go to the weather and see what's happening right around the nation this morning. A very good morning to you, Cairns. Few showers on the way again today. Might want to bring your brollies along. Brisbane also. Showers and some later rain, so becoming heavier throughout the day. 28 degrees for the Gold Coast and Brisbane, showers about. Sydney showers easing in 23. Canberra increasing sunshine today and 21 degrees. 24 on the way for Melbourne with a bit of cloud about, and Hobart fine 21. Adelaide sunny 27 degrees, and Perth mostly sunny today. Top of 28. Fine and sunny in the Alice, 31 and 34 for Darwin. Some late showers and storms. The Muffin Break Jeeps are heading out and about this morning. You'll find them in Sydney at Kemp Field, at Alloa, in Melbourne at Noble Park train station, at Douglas Street, and if you're in Brisbane, get on down to Perry Park, Edmundston Road, in Bowen Hills. We are looking at some of the rural charms of the village of Kyneton in Victoria this morning, but there is one company here called Flynn Silver who produce trophies and medals for some of the most famous people around the world. And what you're looking at is a trophy that Jenson Button took home just last weekend for the Formula One Grand Prix, which is made right here in Kyneton. Now, this is based on a beautiful old design. It's the steering wheel that Jack Brabham used back in the 1950s to race around Albert Park. And this is John, who's one of the designers. Now, mate, tell us about kind of why are people so arty here?
Well, I've always grown up here, and I guess it's been part of what I've just been used to. But you're right, there's some wonderful musicians, woodworkers. Talent seems endless, really. But I don't know, mate. It's a lovely town to be in. It's a great place.
And they make 2 of these trophies every year so that they have a replica. So that, Carl and Lisa, is the trophy that Mark Webber didn't take home this year.
Oh, dear.
Thank you, Stevie. I love trophies.
You've got a bit of trophy envy going on. I can feel it.
Yeah, trophies are right up there in my blokey world.
Have you got your trophies? Have you got
No, Mum's got them somewhere.
What would they be for? Your soccer career and your stellar cricket career?
Yeah, mainly cricket, yeah.
Well done.
There was debating in chess as well.